Guys, we're gonna put this bad mamma jamma big boy to sleep. And he's alive. You guys see him wiggling around? Alright, so here we go. You want to put his claws down like this. Kind of have his face like this, facing down. Claws down, tucked in like this. Tail, you see his tail? And rub his tail. Just rub that tail. See how I'm rubbing? Just keep rubbing. Okay? Keep rubbing. In a few minutes, the crawfish will be asleep. He's a big boy. Oh, I think he's asleep. Look at this guy. Oh. Who's it? Try it again. Oh, I think I did it for too long. So take his claws. You can see he's alive. Put his face down, tuck under his hands, and just pet his tail like that. Go from the top, pet it down. Top, pet it down. It may take a little bit longer than the small ones to put to sleep. This boy's about to get lit later. He's going to hang out in the hot tub with his friends. We're going to have a party. Alright, let's see. Just got to wait a few minutes. There you go. He's asleep. Boom, like that. And he woke up. He's hard to put to sleep. Normally the little ones, they don't take that long to put to sleep. But he's a big boy. He's like, I ain't tired. You gonna wake up. So I need to play with his little tail a little bit longer. See. He's a feisty little thing. Waiting for my boys to get home. They have been asking for bald crawfish. Oh my goodness, for such a long time. And here they are, they get it. They are excited. So I was going to surprise them when they got home off the bus. This big boy. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Wait. Alright, just like that, guys. He's asleep. Stop. Don't touch him. Look at, wait, hang on. Let's see if we can show you. Look at this guy. He, don't touch him. He's asleep, y'all. Look at this guy. He is like, I'm toast. And so that's how you put a crawfish to sleep. And that's how you put a crawfish to sleep, guys. Look at him. He's out. This time he ain't wiggling out. Looks like it's a nice breeze. Good summer day. She's a little chilly. Dude's out. He's out cold, y'all. Anyway, thought it'd be interesting to show you how to put a crawfish to sleep. There you go. Boom. Like that. Not even moving or nothing. Let's see. Awesome. Ta-da! Watch, we're gonna wake him up. Show you he's alive. And I woke him up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.